Can we ask Mr. Salahuddin? We want to wrap it up. Mr. Salahuddin, you've been hearing everything?
I was not able to be correct to Islamabad because of lack of availability of flights.
What is the way forward? Address that point only.
My Lord, my submission is that the report and the notification is to be set aside on the ground of being malafide and law.
Please tell us the way forward.
Yes, sir. My submission is that it cannot be remanded to the SJC. The SJC scope is limited under Article 209. However, this court, if it considers fit, and I would urge that it
Who do you represent? Who do you take second, who do you represent?
My Lord, the Bar Association, Karachi Bar Association, and
so you basically don't want the truth to come out.
No, sir.
Yes.
In fact, my petition is...
You are saying. Please hear us. You are saying that the relief should be given to the petitioner, but the people of Pakistan should be kept in the dark because they can't handle the truth. So why can't it be remanded? Why are you saying it can't be remanded?
No, not at all, sir. I'm not saying that it should not be investigated. My submission is that the proper forum would either be this court itself or a commission appointed.
We are not seeking your opinion. We are seeking some legal response. In my opinion, that doesn't help us, does it? Why can't it be remanded?
It is because of the language of 209 itself, sir.
Where does it suggest that? In fact, Mr. Hamid Khan has just cited a case where it was remanded, the matter was remanded.
इसमें ये जो case इन्होंने refer किया है इसको discuss करा है
I'm not arguing. It cannot be remanded. If Mr. Shafik Siddiqui was still... Now,
we can't. Voice is gone.
48.
So the council to recommend his removal. Therefore, it does not have then the jurisdiction under 2096. And so the remand right now cannot be done. It could have been done 2 years ago. But right now, the remedy is that uncertainty those allegations.
So you mean to say, on account, there is a well-settled principle that no one should suffer as a consequence of act of court. So you're saying because the court delayed the matter for 2 years, the petitioner's valuable right has been taken away from him. Is that your argument? We can't hear you. You're not speaking clearly. करें ना ठीक इसको.
That the civil servants actual tenure has been.
अब civil servant को आपने judge बना दिया. अब आप please don't.
Disciplinary proceedings का principle तो वही है sir.
No, it's not. Please, no, don't do this. If you're reducing a constitutional office to the level of a bureaucratic thing and saying the same principle applies, with respect, I will not agree with you.
My submission is that the stigma around the person's reputation caused by wrongful removal, that is something that he is entitled to remove, even if he has finished his age of service. It is the same principle which your lordships entertain appeals against convictions, even when...
Mr. Salahuddin, please focus on the Constitution. Mr. Hamid Khan has read 2095, which says inquiry, then 2096, which talks about inquiry, and you are saying there's no need for an inquiry because he's retired, he's attained age of 62, so even if SJC did not comply with the Constitution, so let him suffer.
Yes, sir. What I am saying this court is to set aside the report of the Supreme Judicial Council and the President's notification on account of being without jurisdiction and Then
we are asking you, can it be remanded or not? We're not asking you, can it be set aside?
my solution is the reason the factual allegations cannot be investigated anymore by the Supreme Judicial Council is because.
So we should. Are you saying that we should take over the functions of the Supreme Judicial Council? That's the only solution. Then there's no other way. Either they do it or we do it.
The Supreme Judicial Council has a specific rule when it is different.
I mean, Mr. Salahuddin, you're not providing us any solution. You are saying the Supreme Court should assume the functions of the Supreme Judicial Council.
Right, sir. The Supreme Judicial Council will end if a judge, for whatever reason, is no longer there.
Then why are you saying for whatever reason we are dealing with a real case?
Yes, sir. He has crossed the age of superannuation.
So he should suffer. He should suffer because of that.
No, I'm not saying he should suffer.
I don't know.
I'm saying the order can be set aside
without conducting inquiry. We should set aside the order. Why?
The order should be set aside
without inquiry. No, without inquiry.
Irrespective of the merits of the case, the order is without jurisdiction, therefore it deserves to be set aside. It is without jurisdiction for two reasons. The first reason is that the inquiry was not initiated.
If you are arguing in this manner, what provision of law have you filed your petition under?
184(3).
What's the first word in that? Then you don't have a case. Then we should dismiss your petition on that ground alone, because you're arguing against your own petition now. You are saying you're now claiming the right of an individual and not the public's right. Please read 184(3). It starts with the word public importance. So you are now pleading the case of the petitioner, not the public's. You're not saying exactly what you're doing. You say public should not know the truth of the matter. Please give him his pension and that's it.
So we have two aspects of public importance.
184(3). 184(3 पढ़िए ना जी.
So the first aspect of public importance is that whether the SJC has the legal right to remove judges without a factual inquiry. That is a question of public importance. The second question of public importance here, which is separate, is whether the allegations of Mr. Shaukat Siddiqui were correct or not. That has to be investigated separately. My only submission is that the SJC no longer can do so. The reason I am saying this is,
you don't. When you say a statement, back it up. That has to be investigated separately. I'm quoting your words. How? That's the only question we're asking you.
Your Lordships, in 184(3), your Lordships can.
I'm just quoting. I'm quoting your words. Who will investigate? We. Say, tell us.
The truth of the allegations can be determined by this court.
So we record evidence. We will record evidence. We will record evidence.
There's no bar to it, sir. But if your Lordships feel that
feel की बात तो नहीं हो रही है. You are assisting the court. We don't go on feelings. Assist the court on the constitutional point, not on our feelings.
My lord, there is no bar under 184(3) to recording of evidence. It is done even in constitutional petitions under Article 199.